afternoon to you all. And as we say in our native language, Papiamento, Bombini, welcome to Aruba. It is with great pride and much pleasure that I am standing here today on behalf of our Prime Minister of Aruba, Ms. Evelyn Wever Cruz, to celebrate the inaugural flight from an existing European route out of the United Kingdom. Today, we welcome British Airways with a twice weekly service out of London Gatwick Airport. This is an incredible milestone which will open many doors and opportunities for Aruba's economic growth and further development of our tourism industry. Having a flight from London Gatwick gives Aruba an additional gateway into Europe, which would allow us to connect further into our other European destinations. These destinations open new markets and provide Aruba with a unique opportunity and advantage point, being the first island in the Dutch Caribbean directly connected to the United Kingdom. Furthermore, I would like to extend my gratitude and congratulations to the Aruba Airport Authority and the Aruba Tourism Authority for their continuous efforts into making this flight a reality. AAA and Aruba Tourism Authority have been in talks with British Airways since 2015 during various routes, conferences, and at their headquarters in London. Without their commitment and communication efforts, none of this would have been possible today. British Airways is a renowned airline with international ties worldwide, opening doors and connections that Aruba look forward to foster. Although the main focus of Aruba has always been the North American market, this achievement will allow us to cultivate a closer relationship with different European destinations. We are, after all, a multicultural island that prides itself in opening the doors to everyone to learn from others and to grow together in the strength of our diversity. To conclude, on behalf of the government of Aruba, I would like to congratulate all stakeholders with this occasion once again. This achievement will truly put Aruba at the front line of a destination in the Caribbean and also as a hub to other destinations. Let's keep working together, paving the path to many more accomplishments for our island. And finally, I would like to end also in Papiamento, our native language, telling you, Danki, Pakere ding Aruba. Thank you so much for believing in our island. Danki. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and this is the beginning of something very beautiful for Aruba and also the United Kingdom. Thank you very much.